Day 3 of 100 Day Challenge, the Install Playwright with the Java Complete Setup Guide. So, hello everyone, or hello engineers. So now in the day 3, we are going to discuss about the modern test automation in the challenges. So in this video, as you know, we are going to discuss about the Playwright, install Playwright with the Java from scratch. So if you have never used Playwright before, don't worry. By the end of this video, we will have to fully working Playwright project ready for automation. Let's get started without your waste time. So guys, first of all, we need to understand before installing Playwright, what the things we have need to. So I'm writing here. You can follow that. Need before installing. Okay. So before installing Playwright, make sure you the following tool install on your computer. So what the tool? Java, SDK, 17 or 21. Most of the Playwright is more stable on the 17 and 21. IntelliJ community or the ultimate edition, Apache Maven, and internet connection to download the dependencies. If so, I'm writing here ID, Apache Maven, and data connection. So this is the thing we have need to require. Okay, so if you are watching my video from the last few months, so I'm sure you already set up the IntelliJ. If you not, so you can watch my any videos from the Udemy or the tutorial point or the YouTube that the related to how to set up SDK, IntelliJ, or all the things. Okay. So let's jump in the main things. So this is the my project where we have added. So add the Playwright dependencies, create the Maven project. Simple, nothing. Just come and create the project. Like that project and create the project simply. If you are not aware, I will create project and Maven project and select the install JDK, enter your project name and click on the create and the project will be created. The simple way, all the enter create and click. Okay, already I have created. So I will jump into the main part. Add the Playwright dependencies. So go to the pom.xml file. This is the latest one, 3.211. Maven dependencies we have need to add it. And this is the JUnit for test annotations or test ng. And this is the 1.54 Playwright dependency I have added. So the Maven automatically download all the required libraries when project is refreshed. This is the one of the biggest advantage using the Maven. Reload Paywall after added all the dependencies, Playwright, JUnit, and the Maven. Hope so. Maven already you have in your project, but you can add that once you done all and reload. Okay, then reload, or you can string the Maven and the reload, all the string the whole, or control, or you can save the or you can save it. That's it. Or that is the main. If you reload all the dependencies, click on the load Maven chain reload project. Reload project, Maven will automatically download Playwright it required dependencies until complete successful. Then install browser. So Playwright require browser binaries. Like you can see, this is the browser binaries. Before run any class or any program, any code, it download all the browser binaries. Chrome headless, Firefox, WebKit, all the required binaries. Before the run the case, it is downloading. The simple. As you can see, already I'm showing on the console. Then is the verify the installation. Create a simple Java class. This is the Java class function I have created in the page class. The page class inside the simple code I have written for the. I will explain in the next lecture how I have written. Just need to understand the create the class of the Playwright. Sorry, this is the install Playwright class I have created the main function, and this is the I have initialized the code for the browser from browser at headless false. If I will true, then it will run on the headless. Browser will not open. But it is false, so browser will open and page browser new page and navigate on this URL and then print. Then I have run the earlier, then the title it has been print in the console. Okay, so come to the part structure of the. So for understanding, I have created this installation setup. But if you want to, what should be the framework structure, the source, main, Java, that is the base test, and there is this separate the folder we have created for the base class, base, factory, pages. This is the separate folders for the separate perspective we have created. This is the utilities which we have required cross the framework use. This is the common functions we require to use in the cross framework. And then come to the test folder, Java test. There is the test cases which we are continuously written. So this is the framework and resource. Inside the resource, we are keeping the data. And this is the things we have no need to create. This is by default. Once you will create the Maven project, it will create. And this is the Maven XML. You can see this is the dependency we have need to add it when you will create the any framework. Okay, so this is how the framework plus the installation part. So common installation is to let look the part, the main things I can tell you. Sorry. The incorrect JDK config, Maven dependencies, download failures, internet connectivity issues, browser installation not completed, incorrect project SDK, If you encounter any of these issues, don't panic. The most installation problem can be resolved by the checking your environment configuration. So now best practices. Always use latest stable Playwright version, latest stable Java version, Maven dependencies management, IntelliJ IDEA for the development. Keep your environment updated, help avoid compatibility issue. So one more tip I just want to share with you. If you are little confused where the SDK, you can just click on the settings. There is the settings and you come here. No, project structure. We should go in the project structure. This one. And you have need to download. You download the SDK 21. I'm currently using. You should go 21 and apply this. And then this is the same thing in the SDK part. You add download first or add. This is the simplest way. Don't go and check on the browser search like download SDK. Don't go the long way. Always follow the straightforward or simple way. So you can proceed further. So this is how you have need to install and set up. Let's meet in the next lecture.